to do anything? What? Wait. What? This is hilarious. What is that right there? Oh my goodness.
An avocado!
An avocado.
No, it's a big, huge baby, and it's about that big.
Wait, how big was the baby last weekend? Did you tell your mom?
Size of a pineapple?
Yep. And how tall is a pineapple?
It's either a pineapple or a jicama. I have no idea
That's
what
as big
it
as a jicama.
Okay, well, that's a jicama. Hi, Mama.
Yeah, it's a
Mama's
big,
gonna kill me.
jicama on her belly.
She has a jicama. What do you think it'll be next week? Watermelon?
Oh, you know what I think it is going to be?
What?
Do you think it's a little boy or a little girl?
I know it. It's a girl.
It is.
Girl?
Did you
Yeah.
flip a quarter? What do you think it is, Joey?
Don't roll your eyes.
What do you
Come
think it
on.
is? Come on, tell me.
Girl.
I don't know. I think it's a boy.
Why did-
I think it's a girl.
Ew.
I thought it was a boy at first, and like, no.
Nope, I think it's a boy. I don't know.
Girl.
I think I'm
I
going to
think
be
it's
wrong.
a girl.
I think I'm going to be wrong.
Yeah,
Yeah, see,
Devin,
I was-
I think it's going to be
come over
Nolan.
every day
Nolan?
babysit for the baby.
That would be
Yeah.
cute.
Every day.
Yeah,
Me
Devin
too.
said, I don't know, you guys might get sick of
Babysit
Devin because I think she wants to come and help you guys.
I'm going to help with Nolan.
I might have to.
Well,
move
Nolan's
out.
gonna live in North Carolina. He's gonna live near Grandma Felig.
Well,
Yeah, yes, that's very true.
I can go to North Carolina.
Yeah.
Well, how are you going to get there?
I can drive a plane.
Oh, really?
Oh.
What kind? A big plane or a little plane?
A humongous plane.
Are you going to be the
Oh.
pilot or the flight attendant?
I'm going to have a small plane that's about that big, and I'm going to fly down it, or whatever that word is.
Did you decide what you're going to get your dad for Father's Day?
I'm going to give him
No.
I'm going to give him a coaster.
A coaster. That's a great idea.
It's like a little rock. I mean, a little piece of clay that you have to flatten, and then you put like,
Oh, this is gonna be a long recipe.
you put like little, rocks inside, and you push them down. Mine doesn't have so much rocks.
Okay.
What did you tell your mom you wanted to get him? To go with the fishing rod.
Today was the NFL Cletus or whatever the
You are so ticklish.
I don't think the nose is ticklish.
Alabama.
I'm playing her phone.
No.
Play it on your phone. So what did you tell your mom you wanted to get him?
Yesterday, what did you want to get?
A boat.
A boat to go with the fishing rod, right?
But I changed my mind. I could just give him the New York Giants thing that I made.
That would be very cool.
Like that, and why the lightning strikes in black.
I'm not sure where that just came from, but we'll just roll with it. Okay, I think we lost Ella.
No, she goes, we want to run laps. I'm like, not really.
Come here, you silly.